Hello everyone, my name is Fasayo and here are the world cultural events and celebrations for the week of April 13th to April 19th. Sunday, April 13th is Palm Sunday, a Christian holiday that falls on the Sunday before Easter. It is also the start of the 7-day Jewish holiday Passover, which commemorates the Israelites' liberation from slavery in ancient Egypt. Tuesday, April 15th is Tax Day. In the United States, Tax Day is the day on which individual income tax returns are due to be submitted to the federal government. Thursday, April 17th is Maundy Thursday, also referred to as Holy Thursday, among other names. It is a Christian feast during Holy Week that marks the beginning of the Paschal Triduum. Friday, April 18th is Good Friday, also known as Holy Friday. It is a solemn Christian holy day commemorating the crucifixion of Jesus and his death at Calvary. Saturday, April 19th is Holy Saturday. It is the final day of Holy Week between Good Friday and Easter Sunday, and when Christians prepare for the Christian feast of Easter. And that's it for the world cultural events and celebrations. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel at TheScholarsNYC. I'm Fasayo, and I'll see you next time.